Hi, in this video for the Amiko Spiel Mini, we're going to show you how you can schedule a future recording, okay? So to do this, simply go into Menu, go to System, and go to Timer, okay? So the reason you kind of have to do this with the Amiko Spiel Mini and do this sort of manual timer service is that it's a free-to-air box, and what that means is it doesn't have a 7-day EPG. Official FreeSat boxes do have 7-day EPGs, and you can use the EPG to set your recording. You know, you'll be familiar with it from the likes of Sky Plus or the UPC Digital and stuff like that, okay? But it's a free-to-air box. So, you know, you only have now and next on the EPG. So unless you're going to be recording the very next program, the EPG, you know, it's not very good for this. So what you can do though, is set it manually. So when you're in the timer list here, and it offers you a ton of different timers here, you can use, and just press OK to go into one. So the first thing you'll do is just set the date. So I'm going to say it's today. So it's going to ask me then for the channel. They call it program name, but it's the channel. So I'm going to say something like, just for argument's sake, I just have a few channels tuned in here. I'm going to say BBC One HD. I'm going to say the start time is 1800. Oops, 1800. Press OK, and then go down to the next thing. Then is what I want to do is set the type. So I don't want it to switch channels. That's kind of a reminder. I want it to record to the hard drive. Okay. The next thing to look at then is the mode. So you can go once, daily, weekly, monthly. So you can see how it could be. You know, it's not quite series link or anything like that, but you could see how you could set up something on a schedule. But I'm just going to say once, okay? So the duration is the next thing to set, and you press OK and go in there, and I'm going to just arrow across and say 30 minutes, okay? And press OK again to save. So what that's basically telling me, I know for argument's sake that the news is on at 6 o'clock on BBC, and I want to tape it. So I'm saying start at 6 o'clock, end at 6:30. Just do it once and save it to my hard drive, okay, or my memory stick. So that's basically it. So what you do at that point then is you press the blue button to save, and it'll ask you, do you want to go to standby after recording? So that's handy. Just say for argument's sake you weren't going to be at home and you don't want to leave the box on wasting electricity and things like that. So you can say yes if you want, but I'm just going to say no. And there it is. It's in my list. And so if you got mixed up with the timers and they were overlapping, and you know you changed your mind or something like that, you just go back into the timer list there, as you can see, and all you have to do is basically hit the green button will delete it. I'm just going to say no for now. Or you could, if you made a mistake, you could hit the yellow button to edit what you already have, and then again press the blue button to go out and save. So I'm going to say don't go to standby after recording, but I'll just hit the green button then to delete that, because I don't want that to stay there. And what you can do then is just, you know, you can go back out to your live TV. So that's it basically, how you can schedule a future recording on the Amiko Mini Spiel satellite receiver.